Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get better at Wave in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the first step, which is Enable Practice Mode. So you can start any Wave heavy level and tap the practice button. So practice mode lets you place checkpoints so you can repeat difficult sections without starting over. Next step is adjust your settings. So you can go to the settings and adjust the wave trail and sensitivity options. So some players prefer a shorter trail for better visibility during tight corridors. Next step is the key to wave is learning to straight fly. So you can master the straight flying. So holding the wave at a consistent height. So you can practice flying in a straight line without wobbling up and down. Next up is practice speed changes. So wave difficulty increases dramatically with speed changes. So you can practice transitioning between low, normal, and fast wave sections to build muscle memory. Lastly is challenge yourself. So once you're comfortable, you can try wave challenge levels or demon levels with heavy wave sections. So consistent practice is the only way to truly master the wave. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!